Stretching is one of the best exercises you can do in the morning or at night. Hey everybody, welcome to the Evergreen Fitness Hub channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to watch the entire video to get the most out of the video. Now let's get started. Stretching is very important. It can help improve range of motion, reduce muscle tension and soreness, and prevent injuries. If you stretch every day, you may experience a number of benefits for your body. One of the most noticeable benefits of stretching every day is increased flexibility. When you stretch, you are lengthening your muscles and improving your range of motion. Over time, regular stretching can help make your muscles more pliable and able to move through a greater range of motion. This can be especially beneficial for athletes or people who engage in activities that require a lot of physical movement. Stretching every day can also help reduce muscle tension and soreness. When you stretch, you are helping to loosen tight muscles and improve circulation. This can help reduce muscle aches and pains and make it easier to move through your daily activities. In addition to these benefits, stretching every day can also help prevent injuries. By improving your flexibility and range of motion, you are less likely to strain or pull a muscle during physical activity. This can be especially important if you are an athlete or engage in high-impact activities. While stretching every day can offer a number of benefits for your body, it is important to remember to stretch safely and properly. Stretching should be done gradually and with a gradual increase in intensity. It is also important to listen to your body and stop stretching if you feel any pain or discomfort. Overall, stretching every day can be a great way to improve flexibility, reduce muscle tension and soreness, and prevent injuries. Just be sure to stretch safely and listen to your body to get the most out of your stretching routine. What kind of people need to add stretching to their work life? Stretching can be beneficial for people of all ages and fitness levels. However, there are certain groups of people who may particularly benefit from adding stretching to their work life. One group of people who may benefit from stretching at work are those who sit for long periods of time. Prolonged sitting can lead to muscle imbalances and stiffness, which can contribute to aches and pains. Adding stretching breaks throughout the day can help alleviate these issues and improve overall comfort. Another group of people who may benefit from stretching at work are those who engage in physically demanding activities. This can include manual labor, sports, or other types of physical exercise. Stretching before and after these activities can help improve performance, reduce the risk of injury, and improve recovery. Individuals who suffer from chronic pain or stiffness may also benefit from stretching at work. Stretching can help improve flexibility and range of motion, which can help reduce pain and discomfort. Finally, people who are looking to improve their overall health and well-being may also find that stretching at work is beneficial. Stretching can help reduce stress and improve mental clarity, which can be helpful for those who work in high-stress environments. Overall, there are many groups of people who may benefit from adding stretching to their work life. Whether you sit for long periods of time, engage in physically demanding activities, suffer from chronic pain, or are simply looking to improve your overall health and well-being, stretching can be a valuable addition to your work routine. How to get the most out of stretching? There are a few key things you can do to get the most out of stretching. Hold stretches for at least 30 seconds. It takes time for your muscles to relax and lengthen, so be sure to hold stretches for at least 30 seconds. This will allow your muscles to fully benefit from the stretch. Stretch to the point of mild discomfort. You should feel a stretch, but it shouldn't be painful. If you feel pain while stretching, you may be stretching too far. Don't bounce while stretching. Bouncing while stretching can cause your muscles to tense up, which can lead to injury. Instead, hold the stretch steady and relaxed. Stretch both sides evenly. Be sure to stretch both sides of your body evenly to avoid imbalances. Stretch after warming up. It's best to stretch after you have warmed up your muscles, either through light cardio or dynamic stretches. This will help your muscles relax and make it easier to stretch. Incorporate a variety of stretches. Different stretches target different muscle groups, so be sure to incorporate a variety of stretches into your routine to work on all of your muscles. By following these tips, you can get the most out of your stretching routine and experience the full benefits of stretching. Dynamic stretching versus static stretching. Dynamic stretching and static stretching are two different types of stretching that are used for different purposes. Dynamic stretching involves moving your body through a range of motion, typically using controlled, repetitive movements. This type of stretching is often used as a warm-up before physical activity to prepare the body for movement and to increase blood flow to the muscles. Examples of dynamic stretches include leg swings, lunges, and arm circles. Static stretching, on the other hand, involves holding a stretch for a period of time without moving. This type of stretching is typically done after physical activity to help improve flexibility and range of motion. Examples of static stretches include holding a lunge position, holding a side stretch, or holding a forward bend. It is generally recommended to do dynamic stretches as part of a warm-up before physical activity and static stretches as part of a cool-down or to increase flexibility. However, the specific stretches and timing that are most appropriate will depend on your individual needs and goals. Thank you for watching the Evergreen Fitness Hub channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and look at the channel for more videos.